The Tamron 70 to 180. This is a good lens. It works fine and everything, but lately it's having this sound. If you listen carefully, you hear this clunking sound inside. But the lens works fine. Like I said, I have no issues with it. I've only had it for about a couple months now. I don't even think the warranty went out yet on it. I got it out of Rama. It was brand new. It was not even an open box. And this noise here, I don't know if that's normal or not. If you can hear it, it's just weird. So let me know in the comments if this is normal, or should I just return this lens before the time my warranty runs out. All right, peace out.